Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first we draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. C. C for cat. C for car. D. D for dog. D for doll. It's neither E. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color. F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids, again use yellow color and draw G. G for God. G for grapes. Kids, neither H. H for hand. H for helicopter. And use blue color. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids, again use blue color and draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. K. K for kite. K for king. Kids, neither L. L for lion. L for lemon. And use green color. M. M for moon. M for mango. M. N for nose. N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use black color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. R. R for rose. R for rice. It's neither S. S for sun. S for snake. And use red color. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. It's neither V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use blue color. W. W for wallet. W for watch. It's again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Y for yeah. It's again use blue color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.